Welcome, this is Trezo Digital again, and in this video I'll explain to you step by step how to use Mercari credits. So as you can see right here, I'm in the official article in Mercari's website, which you can look for by pasting the link that I left you in the description below. Now as you can see here, credits are automatically applied, balance can be manually applied during checkout, which means any store credits or discounts you have will be used automatically to lower your bill. You can choose to use some or all of your account balance to pay for your order at checkout. When you make a purchase, any available Mercari credits are automatically applied up to the purchase price. Leftover credits will remain in your account for use toward your next purchase. Means that Mercari makes paying for your fines a breeze. Any store credits you have are automatically applied at checkout, reducing the purchase price. Don't worry about using it all up at once. Any leftover credits remain in your account for future purchases, so you can keep track or keep saving on your next Mercari treasure hunt. You can view your available credits and their expiration dates under Settings, Credits. Once a credit has expired, it cannot be reissued. So to keep track of your Mercari savings, head to Settings, Credits. This section shows you the amount of credits you have available, and when it expires, remember expired credits can't be brought back, so use them wisely before the date. And here to apply your balance, from the checkout screen, tap Apply. Enter the amount of balance you'd like to apply and tap Apply again to update your total. So this is so simple, I don't have to explain it further. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope it was useful, and see you in the next video.